Hi guys, second video of my home lab. As I showed you in my last video, currently I've got 4 routers and 1 terminal server, which is sitting in currently in my garage, and I'm connecting to the devices over the wireless at the moment. So I've got 2 192100 series routers, one 1941 and one 4321. Also, I've got the terminal server, which is 2600 series. It has 1 octal cable at the moment plugged in, which gives 8 connections, but currently I'm only using 4 because I have only 4 devices. Also, I've showed you I've got a Netgear Wi-Fi extender, which is in the garage and which connects to my home Sky router, which is inside the home. And you can see, I mean, this is the wireless extender IP address, and ping response is quite good. And this is the 1.150 is the terminal server, which you can see I can ping it and not dropping any ping packets as well. So we are connected. From the garage to this router over the wireless, and I've been working for a couple of weeks and I'm not having any issues. If I don't have this wireless extended, then I would have to run through a cable, which means making a hole in this wall and also in this wall as well. So I thought maybe I'll try using a wireless first. If I have issues, then I can probably think about putting like a permanent cable. So yeah, so this is how it is, and I'm just going to show you a little bit about this wireless extended as well. It's very good. As you can see, it supports 2.4 and 5 gigahertz. It has quite a few options where you can choose whether you want between your router and the extender, like 2 gigahertz or 5 gigahertz. I did try the 5 gigahertz between the Sky router and the wireless extender, because obviously 5 gigahertz doesn't pass very well through the walls. It was dropping too many packets. Also, I can't try this option because I have a Wi-Fi power strip which only works with 2.4 gigahertz, which controls all the plugs plugged in, and I can turn them off when I'm done with my works to save the electricity. So yeah, it's quite good, quite a bit of good tool, I must say. Showing good speed as well. I mean, you can see this is on the 5 gigahertz, and this is on the I think 2.4 gigahertz. Actually, sorry, this is up to 600 and up to 1300 megabit per second. So it's very good. It is a bit pricey, but I think it's worth spending money. I actually have 2 of these because on my TV the built-in wireless wasn't very good, so I just bought one of these and then plugged the TV directly to this device, and now the streaming videos and whatever I want to do online is very, very fast, and it doesn't stop. So yeah, it's a good piece of kit. Yeah, coming back to my lab. So I've got 4 routers. I'm just going to show you how I connect to them. So I use Secure CRT. It's one of my favorite tools. And as you can see, this is the terminal server. And you can see only configuration I did is to put password, some initial configuration, also create a loopback interface, and these ports was already there, so only thing I changed was the devices names. As you can see, there's router 1, 2, 3, and 4, and in future I'm going to have switches as well, which you can see here as well. Also, one thing you should do if you're gonna implement terminal server is make sure you configure the session timeout. If you don't have this here, like for example, you're working on it and then you went away. If your session is running and you're if you got disconnected, next time when you try to connect to these devices, it's not going to work because the session is still running. I mean, you can still clear it from the terminal server, but it just I think it's good, easy. So you can see at the moment none of my lines are busy. If they were busy, I would just use the command clear line with the whichever line is busy, and then it will clear. So as you can see, these are 4 routers I've got, and to connect to them, what I have to do is give these terminal server IP address. So if you go here, I'm giving the terminal server IP address 192.168.0.150, and the port Now the octal cable, it has the numbers on the port. So number one port goes to whichever is your number one device. So whichever that number one device is going to work on this port 20, 33, and then 34, 35, 36, and onwards. And here you can see, oh sorry, not this one, this one. So my IP address is 150, and this is the one connected to the Netgear, and that's it. So only cable going to the Netgear is this pass is 0. The rest is everything is happening through this this terminal server. So let's just connect to my devices now. So this is the first router. And you can see I'm in. Second router. And you can see I'm in. Third router. I'm in. Fourth. And I'm in. And I'll just show you the versions. I think I'm running all of these running on version 15 at the moment. Let's make sure the command will go to all of the sessions. This is one of the beauty of Secure CRT. You can set the command to all of the open sessions. Show version. So we can see this one is obviously, this is an old terminal server, so I haven't touched this one. However, all these 9021, 9041, and 4321, they all running on version 15. Yeah, so yeah, it's I just thought like a lot of people probably want to build their own labs, but to have the equipment in the same room sometimes get very noisy. And also in UK we have, when the heating comes on, the house gets warm, and then the equipment makes more noise. So I just put it in the garage, and there's no noise, and also it's quieter in the garage, and it's cold in the garage, sorry, and the equipment doesn't go very hot as well. And yeah, I just thought I'd share this video with you. If you guys have any issues, or want to know more information how my lab is set up, please let me know, and I would love to help. Thank you very much. Cheers. Bye.